In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a work schedule in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to the workspace where you want to update the schedule. Once you're in the right place, look for your workspace name, click on it, and then select Settings. This is where you'll find the main controls for workspace level options, including schedule and availability settings. After the settings area opens, find the Features section and click on Work Schedule. This is the part of ClickUp where you can define when work is expected to happen during the week. Setting this up correctly is helpful because it gives better visibility into availability and capacity. Next, choose the days that are part of your working week. For example, if your team works Monday through Friday, make sure those days are selected. If your schedule is different, just choose the days that match your actual work week. This step is important because ClickUp will use these selections when calculating your schedule. Once your working days are selected, choose the working hours option that fits your needs. You'll usually see an option to use the same time for all days, or to set custom working hours. If your schedule is consistent every day, the same time option is the fastest choice. If some days start earlier or end later than others, custom working hours will give you more flexibility. Now enter the start and end time for each working day. If you chose the same time option, you'll only need to enter that schedule once. If you selected custom working hours, go day by day and enter the correct start and end times for each one. Try to be as accurate as possible here, since these hours affect how your work availability is represented. After that, review the weekly capacity displayed below the working hours. This gives you a quick summary of the total time available across your selected work week. It's a useful checkpoint to make sure your schedule reflects what you expect before saving anything. Then scroll down to add non-working days. This is where you can include public holidays, company holidays, or any other planned days off that should not count as working time. Keeping this section updated helps make your schedule more realistic and accurate over time. When everything looks correct, go to the lower right corner and click Save Changes. That will apply your new work schedule to the workspace. And that's it. Your ClickUp work schedule is now set up. Thanks for watching.